Yo, so check it. Everybody says that that word swag is so overused, and that's about to die any second. Well, guess what? I'm about to revitalize that shit. Swagger, 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 my teeth are really shiny, my watch is really shiny, necklace shiny, roll with girls only shiny. When I swag, all the ladies look, all their dads be like, you can marry my baby. A dad, I call him my swag. Don't call it a house, I call it a YOLO pad. Change the name of my car to a mother freaking wagon, but then I change that name to a mother freaking swagger. Swagger, 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 swagger. You baby swagger, you baby swagger, looking like a swagger. Yo, straight up, shout out to the God himself, Lil B. Thank you, Bass God, you the man. Yo, shouts to Ja Rule and shit, yo. Murder Inc., I see you guys holding it down. Yo, shouts to my man Albert Baines, all the way from a BC. I see you, baby, you doing it big, Doc, holding it down for all the Punjabi guys. That's it, that's pretty much it. Yo, I'ma holla at you guys maybe 2013, 2014, maybe like 4 or 5 years down the road. Check it out, all these new tracks. I'm the great rapper of the North.